Meaning of hydrospeed.
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 Hydrospeed. Hydrospeed, also known as river boarding, is a water sport where a person navigates down a river on a small board. The rider lies face down, and uses fins on their feet for propulsion and a handheld paddle for steering. This exhilarating activity allows the rider to directly experience the power of the river, as they ride through rapids and waves at high speeds. However, it can be dangerous if proper safety precautions are not taken, and riders must have strong swimming abilities. Overall, hydrospeed is a thrilling way to connect with nature and test one's limits on the water.